How to create a schematic symbol with the help of spreadsheet. So this is few pin numbers I have collected like this only. If you have multiple pin and more than 40, 50 or 100, so it will be good for you. So frequently you don't need to copy and paste. So just select your library, right click, new part from spreadsheet. Here you can see that part number is there, part name is there. So I'm going to use IC underscore demo underscore 16. Since 16 pin IC, I'm going to create number of sections 1. So here you can see that if you are using one section, it will show A. If you are using two sections, it will show B. So if you want to use multiple parts in one package, so you can utilize that more than one section. So I'm going to use one section only. Here you have to just select and copy paste from here. You have to select pin type. These are all details you can get from your datasheet. Shape, I'm going to use line only for normal pins. For clock, I'm going to use clock option. Position, I'm going to use it right side. Yes, this is how you can create. Now section, we do have only one section, so not an issue. Just select the one section. Now, if you want to add more, so you can add here pin number and details. I'm not going to add. Just save it. Continue. Your symbol has been created. I see demo 16. Let's see. Since these are power pins, so power pin you have to use pin visibility also. So this is how you can create your symbol. In same way, this is just one section. If you are using more than two sections, it will show multiple sections in package symbol. If you want to change any name like NC, so NC1 or NC2, even this name you can change in the spreadsheet or in symbol only, not an issue. So you can see that your symbol has been created. It is good to use. Okay, that's how you can create your schematic symbol in a spreadsheet.